stayed in third till the very end. That fucker goes to 98 miles an hour. That third gear's nasty. Huh?
Are you on E85?
Yep. Can't you smell the moonshine? Yep, 23 pounds.
Holy shit, that's a lot now for the last car.
On a 2-liter. Yeah. It's, I mean, I spin. I got drag radials on right now, so that's helping today.
I mean, if you want to run a couple races, I know a lot of roads around here.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I got a YouTube channel, man.
Oh, you do?
Yep. That dirty boosted.
You're gonna be on YouTube getting gapped.
I wasn't even looking at you, man. This thing is like fucking this.
Really?
Yeah, I was just like, I just gotta stay in front.
He's like, just don't fucking turn.
Yeah, dude, that shit's just, yeah, it's that long of a gear. I'm never really getting the fourth gear much. I gotta stop at about $1.20, but that's when she really starts getting squirrely.
Well, I take it you haven't topped it out?
140's the most I've went in. Huh?
Guess you bury the needle at 140?
145.
Guessing you don't think.
It's not even worth it. This thing just fucking, I mean, I will. I got launch control and shit, but.
We can go down the road. We can do a dig on the way up and a roll on the way back if you want.
What time do you gotta be back?
I don't care. Let's do it.
Yeah. I'll follow you guys.